You know who's considered the most annoying people in Jamaica? The street windshield wiper guys.
Pick up the youth, them in the street, where you hustle for the bread off, you find food for eat. So, them want send me go tea, but me not go do it. Me prefer put my wipe all boat in the street.
The reason that the people them say what are 9, you know. Have some of the street youth them will come and them don't ask the people them for wipe them car and them start throw water on the people them car. You understand? You left we as good youth bad. You understand? Because we have manners and respect, you know, and everyone will think the same way and do the same thing where we just come and start throw water. Some of we have proper approach, you understand? Some of we have home who sleep, baby mother, youth to take care of, and most likely the bad set them and set it bad for we as a good youth. Them
Said annoying. As where somebody that come down and say, and somebody that give we freely. Then, she give me a $50 because she knows that we're not going to thief and make police kill, we're not going to grab nobody back.
Put up on the street because I drop out of school, full of bad company, and reach certain places we never want to reach at this time. You understand? But still, they are going to try to make two ends meet.
we need work. Here we are bad at the people and beg them. We have family, we have a youth them, we have a kids them to take care of. You understand? It's rough out, so we need some work.
How much you make like in a day or a week?
For a week still, when I reach back to like Friday, from Monday to Friday still, I probably make a little 4,000 because it's rough out here, you know. You understand? It's rough.
4 grand?
Yeah, 4 grand a day.
Serious?
4 grand for the week. Seriously, for the week.